Totally remodeled home in the heart of South Knoxville. Come admire this country settings on over a half an acre, with 2,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Beautiful, open floor plan at the stairs with a large brand new kitchen, living room and dining area. Enjoy 3 bedrooms upstairs. Gorgeous brand new bathrooms, and new deck in the back. Walk downstairs to another amazing living space, bedroom and a full bathroom. The home features a new roof, water heater and HVAC unit. Everything in this house is new, come worry-free.